Inflation cooled for several product categories in the month of February. This includes items like personal care, health, restaurants and even accommodation, which means that there wasn't as big an increase in the pricing of all those goods. Annual consumer price inflation was at 3.2% in February, on average, of course, unchanged from the previous month, January. It also comes ahead of the Reserve Bank's interest rate announcement tomorrow. Ntokozo Khumalo explores how spaza shop owners navigate inflation as well as interest rates to keep prices low for customers.
Despite inflation keeping steady at 3.2%, one business owner in Soweto says he's constantly looking for ways to keep prices low as customers face several financial headwinds as the cost of living continues to mount. Siya Dlamini owns Siya's Chillers and 4 other spaza shops in Soweto, growing a family business started by his mother. He says it's been a tough few months as the impact of inflation hits the business.
Now, in terms of stock prices now, they are a bit higher. You understand, when they are higher, our customers are not able to now afford to buy our products. So it's very, very bad, in fact.
While inflation did cool on some items like potatoes and meat bones, several others, including Russians and lettuce, ticked up.
Recreation, sport and culture, food and non-alcoholic beverages, alcoholic beverages and tobacco, and communication recorded higher annual inflation rates in February.
To counter the challenge of rising prices for the community he serves, Dlamini has to be innovative.
So on our side, we have decided to create a sharing meal, which we call a boss for quota. So that quota creates a unity, and the families are able to share, even if they are not able to buy quotas on their own, but they are able to share.
To keep costs even lower, Dlamini also stocks up through Broad Cargo, an e-commerce platform where spaza owners can buy in bulk and ensure the products are health certified. Owner and final year medical student Lethabo Mapopa says his business was inspired by his father, who was the breadwinner at home before his passing in 2018. He didn't want other local spaza shops to go under due to rising inflation.
He was struggling a lot when it comes to buying the bulk products because the inflation, it raised all the prices of the products, and he was getting a lot of competition from the foreign-owned spaza shops. And that's one of the things that motivated me to form Broad Cargo when I came here to Vets, because I wanted to form that company that is going to help other spaza shops in terms of getting the bulk products that are so cheap.
He continues to face his own inflationary pressures as a medicine student while his business grows.
Accommodation places are so expensive. And then like back in 2023, I was staying in Bramfontein Res. And then there, like the year amount that I had to pay, it was 90,000. And NSFAS only pays 45K. So like I had to pay 45K by myself, and like without paying it, also like the institution sometimes it doesn't allow you to register as well.
With the inflation remaining below the South African Reserve Bank's mid-target of 4.5%, interest rates are expected to remain unchanged at 7.5%, but risks linked to rising global trade tensions could lead to hikes in the future. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Johannesburg.